Hello kids and welcome to iLearn Tutorials. Our topic for today is comparison and arrangement of decimal numbers. There are three ways in comparing decimal numbers. First, you can use a number line for small scale. Second, by identifying the difference between the numbers and using place value chart for numbers that cannot be represented in a number line. Or you can add 0 to evenly make the digits of decimal numbers. Alin man sa tatlong ito ang gamitin ninyong paraan, I'm sure that will definitely help you in comparing decimal numbers. After going through with this lesson, you are expected to compare and arrange decimal numbers. Look at the given decimals. Use the place value chart to find the smallest and the largest value. The decimal numbers are 3 and 756 thousandths, 37 and 56 hundredths, 375 and 6 tenths, and 3,756 ten thousandths. This is the place value chart. So, for the whole numbers, nag-start tayo from hundreds hanggang ones. And then, for the decimal values naman, from tenths hanggang 10,000ths. Now, let's put the given decimal numbers to their proper place values. First decimal number, we have 3 and 756 thousandths. What do you think is the place value of the first digit, which is 3? Very good, it's ones. So, siya kasi yung first digit sa left side ng decimal point. Okay, so sunod-sunod lang naman yan. Next will be the decimal point, of course, followed by 7 sa tenths, 5 sa hundredths, and 6 sa thousandths. Since 6 ang last digit, di ba pag binasa natin ang decimal number na ito, 3 and 756 thousandths, binabanggit natin ang place value ng last digit. Pwede rin itong magsilbing clue para malaman natin kung ano ba ang place value ng last digit. Okay, so let's proceed on the second decimal number, which is 37 and 56 hundredths. What do you think is the place value of the first digit, which is 3 also? Very good, it's tens na nasa whole number siya. So 3 sa tens, so sunod-sunod lang din naman yan. 7 sa ones, of course decimal point. Next, 5 ang tenths, and 6 naman ang hundredths. Next decimal number is 375 and 6 tenths. The place value of the first digit, 3, is hundreds. So, sunod-sunod lang din. Followed by 7 sa tens, 5 sa ones, decimal point, and the last digit, which is 6 sa tenths naman siya. Last given is 3,756 ten thousandths. Wala tayong whole number, kaya ang nasa left side ng decimal point ay 0, kaya siya ang nasa ones place natin. So again, sunod-sunod lang, followed by decimal point, 3 sa tenths, 7 sa hundredths, 5 sa thousands, and 6 sa 10 thousandths. Given this place value chart, let's answer the following questions. Number 1, what is the smallest decimal? So what do you think? Ano ba ang pinakamaliit na decimal number among the 4 given? Okay, so the smallest decimal is 3,756 10 thousandths. Why? Because siya lang ang walang whole number. Very good. Now, how about the largest one? Doon sa 4 na given decimal number, 3 ang may whole numbers. Alin sa 3 yon ang may pinakamalaking whole number? So, pwedeng yun ang maging basis natin para malaman kung alin ang pinakamalaking decimal number. And the largest decimal is 375 and 6/10. Why? Very good, dahil 375 ang pinakamataas na whole number among the 3 given decimal numbers. When you compare numbers, look at the number of digits in each number. The number with the highest place value of the whole number is the largest number. Katulad ng example natin kanina, yung 375 and 6/10 ang largest decimal dahil siya ang may pinakamataas na place value sa whole number, which is hundreds. If the numbers have the same amount of digits, compare the highest place value. So for example, lahat ng given numbers ay lahat or pare-pareho ang highest place value. So you're going to compare the digits naman dun sa highest place value. Now, the place value with the highest value of the digit is the largest number. So i-compare ang lahat ng digit na nasa highest place value. So for example, lahat hundreds ang highest place value ng given numbers. I-compare naman natin alin doon ang pinakamalaki or pinakamataas na value ng digit, and that will be the largest number. Okay? Kung magkataon naman na lahat ng nasa highest place value ay pare-pareho ang number or pare-pareho ang value ng digit, we can compare the next or the second highest place value. Ngayon, kung ganun pa rin, kung same numbers pa rin ang nandun, eh di dun sa pangatlo naman, hanggang sa makahanap tayo ng place value kung saan maaari nating i-compare alin ba ang mas malaki or mas maliit na number. We use symbols less than, greater than, and equal to compare decimals. When comparing two decimals, it is helpful to write one below other. For example, which is greater? 58 and 23 hundredths or 49 and 35 hundredths. The given decimals have whole number parts, so we compare whole number parts only. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina dun sa unang example, dahil 3 doon ay may whole number parts, yung whole number parts lang ang ating ikinumpara, kaya nalaman natin kung ano doon ang largest number. In 58 and 23 hundredths, the whole number part is 58. In 49 and 35 hundredths, the whole number part is 49. As such, 58 is greater than 49. Therefore, 58 and 23 hundredths is greater than 49 and 35 hundredths. For more examples, let us compare the following decimals by writing greater than, less than, or equal. For number 1, we have 2 and 35 hundredths blank 2 and 53 hundredths. As you can see, equal or same ang value ng kanilang whole number parts. Therefore, we're going to proceed on the next highest place value, which is tenths. Ang nasa tenths place value ay 3 and 5. We all know that 3 is less than 5. Therefore, 2 and 35 hundredths is less than 2 and 53 hundredths. Number 2, 6 and 5 tenths blank 6 and 500 thousandths. As you can see, equal ulit ang whole number parts. And same goes with their tenths place values. Equal din sila. And then, yung ating first given ay walang hundredths and thousandths place, unlike the second one. But, meron nga na thousands and hundredths place ang ating pangalawang given, pero 0 lang sila. So, dahil 0 lang naman ang nakalagay doon, ibig sabihin na we can also drop the zeros. Therefore, the answer is equal. So, same ang kanilang value dahil pwede naman nating alisin ang mga zeros na nasa hundredths and thousands place dahil wala na silang kasunod na iba pang digit sa kanan nila. Katulad ng ginagawa natin na nagro-round off tayo ng numbers, pwedeng lagyan natin ng 0 or pwedeng i-drop na lang natin because they are equal naman. Next, number 3. 4 and 7 hundredths and 4 and 17 thousandths. Ang whole number parts ay equal. Ang tenths na digit ay equal din. Now, ang hundredths place ay 7 and 1. 7 is greater than 1. Therefore, 4 and 7 hundredths is greater than 4 and 17 thousandths. Arrange the given decimals in ascending order. So when we say ascending order, you're going to start with the smallest number hanggang sa pinakang largest one. Number 1, 1 and 7 tenths, 9 tenths, 1 and 7 hundredths, 1 and 9 tenths, and 7 tenths. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to compare the whole number parts. Tatlo lang dito ang may whole number parts dahil yung dalawa, wala. So ano yung dalawang yon? 9 tenths and 7 tenths. Very good. So ano sa tingin niyo, alin ang mas smaller? Is it 9 tenths or 7 tenths? Very good, it's 7 tenths. Of course, yung sumunod na value sa kanya, that will be 9 tenths. Ngayon, let us compare the 3 more decimal numbers. We have 1 and 7 tenths, 1 and 7 hundredths, and 1 and 9 tenths. Alin kaya ang dapat nating isunod sa 9 tenths? Dahil pare-pareho ang whole number parts nila, ang i-compare natin dyan ay yung tenths place. So, ang mga nasa tenths place ay 7, 0, and 9. Alin sa tatlong yon ang pinakamaliit ang value? Siyempre, 0, diba? Very good. Now, our third number will be 1 and 7 hundredths. The next one will be, very good, it's 1 and 7 tenths. And yung ating largest number will be 1 and 9 tenths. Very good. So this is the answer. The smallest one is 7 tenths, followed by 9 tenths. Next is 1 and 7 hundredths. Next, 1 and 7 tenths. And the largest one is 1 and 9 tenths. Number 2, 6 tenths, 6,065 ten thousandths, 6,059 ten thousandths, and 6,061 ten thousandths. Pwede tayong magdagdag ng tatlong zeros kay 6 tenths para maging 4 din ang digits ng kanyang decimal value at para mas mabilis tayong makakapag-compare ng mga decimal numbers. Now let's compare. Lahat sila walang whole number parts. So, magsa-start tayo ng pagkukumpara sa tens place. Pare-pareho ang value ng tens place nila. 'Di ba? So, 6 kasi lahat. Now, how about the hundreds place? Okay, very good. So, equal din lahat dahil pare-parehong 0. Now, how about the thousands place? Ang mga digits sa thousands place ay 0. So, that's for 6 tenths na naging 6,000 10,000s dahil nagdagdag tayo ng tatlong 0. Next is 6, followed by 5, and 6 ulit. Okay, so which one is the smallest? Of course, that's 0. Very good. So, dahil 0 ang smallest, ang pinaka-smallest decimal number natin ay 6,000 10,000s, or it could be just 6 tenths. Very good. Okay, so what will be the next decimal number? Very good. It's 6,059 10,000s. Because 5 is the next number na maaaring isunod natin kay 0 kasi yung 6 mas mataas na sa kanya. Very good. Yung last two decimal numbers ay parehong 6 ang value ng thousands place. Therefore, kailangan na nating i-compare ang 10,000s place. Ang nasa 10,000s place na digits ay 5 and 1. So, alin doon ang mas maliit na value? Okay, very good. Siyempre, 1. Therefore, our third number is 6,061 10,000s. And of course, the largest one will be 6,065 10,000s. So here's the answer. 6 tenths is the smallest number, and then followed by 6,059 10,000s. Next is 6,061 10,000s, and the largest one is 6,065 10,000s. Now, are you ready for some assessments? Kindly prepare a piece of paper and pen and answer the following questions. Good luck! Did you get a perfect score? Good job! So, sana tuloy-tuloy na yan, pati sa mga susunod nating activities. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can also like our Facebook page and you can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram. See you! Goodbye!